In this video, I want to talk about this 39-piece tool set from Cartman. Now, I don't think that this is a set for everybody, but if you have like an apartment, or if you're a first-time homeowner and you're not planning on doing a complete remodel on your house and you just need something to do a little maintenance around the house, I think this is a pretty cool little set. Let's take a look. It has a nice little case that everything's contained in. Open it like this. You can start right here with the tape measure. This is a 10-footer. Seems to work just fine. And I like that everything's got its own little place. So you can put that right back there. I have some scissors here. These are stainless steel. Nice. And a hammer, which I was actually surprised when I took this out. It's a little heavier than I expected. But standard hammer with your curved claw. You got a retractable knife right here. It has the breakaway blade. There it is, fully extended. And then you have your driver right here that you can put all these bits in that I'll show you in a minute. But you also have an extension that goes right here. The bits are right here. You have two sets. You have your standard flatheads, a bunch of different sizes. Then you have your hex heads, again, a bunch of different sizes. Phillips and star bits or Torx. But it also has this right here, which is actually an adapter. So if you had a 1/4-inch socket set, you could actually take your sockets and pop them on there, and then you can use this like that. That's pretty cool to have. Put that back in here. Again, everything has its own little place. And then you have a couple smaller screwdrivers here. These are number 0 Phillips and number 1 Phillips, and 2 different size flatheads right here. These are nice because they have the end that rotates, so you can kind of hold it in your palm and use it that way. I actually like these a lot. Helps out when you're working on really small things. I have kids, so I use these all the time to take off the battery covers, and it's handy to have little screwdrivers like that around. I've got a pair of pliers right here that are adjustable, like normal pliers. And then you have an Allen wrench set. And it's nice that it has its own little holder for it right here, so you don't lose them. And that locks in just like this. There you go. So, I think it's a nice little handy set to have around for doing simple maintenance around your house or your apartment. So if you wanted to see it before you bought it, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.